Ner malaka niam biya kamal ner yen dial ini dial ko de lenga rice ngwasa me ka Nuer online TV channel. Lerban lingwasa me area gadana chitore wecha kama yum county ka unity state. Bana mandan shoda latin and winami kam ngani telangani Nueri kana jech kede kirma yadi la SSPDF bana mandan en chitwo and winami bana jelinkel. Chalado shukor macha tuɔɔk pan ka shanga wal ka pai diok ron kina dangra widi jan dangra widi diech gor jeno ene gwada tuɔɔk do tena baji yigling ko tin kon lat ko rodien bana rigling kon lat ko rodien ke jan gwasem bana kiling no tuɔɔk ni ka de ka kap chongde alami sha so problem cha jangach tia ka lungo no de mal control ring no mu kai ka mana le ro de tin kon lat ko rodien ajan dana la na kula chu ke je ko cha de lwang Riktin kontore wika South Sudan ga jan gwasmen tama tiaka longo katide mal kapchong but leadership jala problem kwara kontin bot kana kala reko ko chikana gorno te mal medeben waran mite muguri ke jidin bi jogo no ngumuguri bi tech okay bialat bimandan lada biling mi jin leader mugwa ki kwer mugwa bimandan lada rammo bi jeling so bi mal kap tiaka lo tel kormu chetok no chan rajme chan jeling Chakume SSPDF chaja makrai which kama yom county ka unity state chala do take a bondang diok tichiro realeka tijal ka mech no alo ke ngani titi ke ngani Nueri rewi kama yom county shika de kirma yadi t makrai which en winami kan bonato shika mech kirma yadi dangro tidit chikan kananki chikan ka kwal gwada dana nyinga tin ke jej kirma yadit charaj mo chaja kwen Kurma tuwagre wiki mayom county shirka milling koname. She mayom county commissioner James Lely called no sha nero sha muy bot nero sha muy ka bot waram kel dera ditch la ditch SSPDF ram kel randa which mi sha muy ka bot en re kurma. Maje mejen maje dana sha nan ka dobran sha lat ke je sha je tur ke cha tuwa mena le rode. Gwada me ala wa ramadan sha muy ka boda wa a major dung SSPDF jaram dana sha much ka bon midit ka dobran shalat ke je ken ram kel kanitin kon tilla jiwuch koroja dana shala commissioner lele general jenekan dangro chaga nang rei duel wal ka 1k primary health care unit jen dobran shalat ke je namoni sorry dio je ala me pay tuok wale okay ke gore pinya wale gwa chan jelim gwa sme ka to gengli ka dobrana shaylat ke je ko biya politika leng mu gwa ki ka ngany gwa munan shor lat no A group of 3 army youths attacked the joint forces under the SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Force in Mayom County 1K area in Unity State on Monday morning and made off with 2 guns, a local government official confirmed. Mayom County Commissioner James Lele Cole said that 2 people, an army officer and a civilian, were injured when the criminal attacked the SSPDF facility and made off with 1 PKM general purpose machine gun and AK-47 assault rifle belonged to the army. However, he said the attack were repulsed by SSPDF. 1 major from the SSPDF was injured and is in critical condition, and a civilian was also wounded during the attack. Commissioner Lily stated they were rushed to the 1K primary health care unit this Monday or afternoon, which is yesterday, but they reported today on 11 March 2025. They say that the commissioner say he went to the place where the attack happened and that the situation is calm and under control. The security forces are following the criminal who took the 1 PKM and AK-47 from SSPDF soldier, Lele added. Nemeja nana chitwok ala nere kontin chiri alaka kim wane nwer kontin chari alaka waka grum dang diok do ran chalat keja. Chicken guad metume chicken wa chicken shumak chicken Michael 1 PKM ke kel AK-47 kel ala me dangro chicken ganang chicken major general kel chicken moy ke bot karamala civilian ke ran wech ke dobran shalat keja agenda na gurno de nywa ya la South Sudan right now. It is in te wipol ka ta dan ling ene je so cordiality de kapchong long tiak long de mal kapchong kir me yadit ko ne dial no kan mal teram log lia teram no ko de na tiketer bari ek te ko kwar ko no ko de kan de kwarka ke kan gor no de ko mal de kan no so gor no jin bi nyana ko ken mi jiram jidit kan online tv channel gor jen o jin bi jen nyaka ne ko ken ka bi subscribe kan online tv channel bi atikamal ban nyo je ka le rodien bye bye